Hello everyone, welcome to the ichimokocharts.com daily analysis for the S&P 500 for Wednesday, May the 2nd, 2012. Well, a change of trend today and a candle with a lower high and a lower low. Previous day's trading we had a change of trend to the upside, and today a change of trend back to the downside. A very small black-bodied candle as opposed to the fairly large white-bodied candle on the previous day. And the black body denotes the sellers making a very small amount of net bearish progress. Now this market is closed up near the high, and that suggests that the buyers have closed the market with control throughout this trading day. A moderate amount of control, not right at the high, so not an extreme amount, but certainly above the midpoint level, so it is solid control. The important thing is the large shadow on the bottom of this candle, and that represents the sellers losing commitment as they tested below the round number support of 1400, and that's significant for this market. We tested just to the low of 2 days ago, around 1394 roughly, and we saw the buyers come back in quite solidly, so that's a very important level moving forward, and it coincides roughly with this minor swing high here, roughly about 1393, 1392. In terms of Ichimoku, the market is maintaining its bullishness in all three timeframes by trading above the cloud, above the Kijun-sen and the Tenkan-sen. Just looking at the Kijun-sen, that's pointing flat, and the price action has been attracted back towards there, so that's not unusual for that to happen. There still is a possibility that the market could trade back down towards there, but certainly the round number support at 1400 is very important moving forward. Very strong support at the top of the cloud for tomorrow's trading around 1391. Then at the Kijun-sen and Tenkan-sen around the 1390 level, and strong support for this market all the way down through to roughly 1347. Resistance areas are at roughly the 1414 level, and these minor swing highs, then to 1419, then to this major swing high at around 1422. So some solid resistance overhead. We can see the candle from the previous day where it tested up above the minor swing high to 1415. There was very strong price rejection from that area, so the buyers will need to build some momentum if we are going to trade up above that level. At the moment they've closed this market with control for the day, but they still haven't been able to change the trend. The trend did change to the downside, so we have a downtrend in place, so it says something about the strength of the buyers. It's really not quite as strong as we'd like to see, but then again, closing up towards the high is important for a potential change of trend. So for tomorrow's trading, let's watch around the high of the current candle around 1405 for a potential higher high and higher low, and the round number support at 1400 extending down to roughly about 1394 is important for any potential continuation of the trend to the downside.